Day one of trying to catch my PB. Oh my God, Hilton, Hilton, come here, please. Dude. Oh my God, Hilton.
What you got there, bro?
Absolute PB, guys. On the Z-Man chatterbait, on the chatter spike. Look at this thing, dude.
Wow.
This is a dream fish. Dude. Hilton. Dude.
That's insane, bro.
Oh my.
That's insane.
This is the biggest bass I've ever caught in my life.
That's PB.
This is PB. I just caught a PB. PB right here, dude. On the chatterbait. Look at this thing.
See that belly?
Look at that thing.
Dude, that thing's a tank.
Look at this thing. I would have this on my wall.